Earl Nightingale, a name synonymous with personal development and the power of thought, once said that we become what we think about. Imagine waking up every day with the weight of the world pressing down on your shoulders, feeling as though you're merely surviving. And yet, there exists a revolutionary truth that can lift you higher than you ever thought possible. In a society built upon distraction and the relentless pursuit of external validation, the first step toward achieving your dreams is understanding that the greatest battles are fought within your own mind. Picture yourself standing at a crossroad where everything you desire hangs in the balance. What separates you from that life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment isn't the world outside, but the beliefs and thoughts you foster within. The mind is a powerful ally or a formidable foe, and it's time you harness that strength. Every moment you spend nurturing self-doubt is a moment stolen from self-discovery. Each fleeting second is an opportunity to create, to inspire, to rise. Think about it. What if the dreams that flicker like stars in your heart are not unreachable fantasies, but invitations for you to step into a new reality? Earl Nightingale beckons you to unlock the extraordinary potential waiting within you, urging you to awaken your passion and purpose. Dive into this journey of self-transformation, where your inner strength can reshape the very fabric of your existence. And remember, your only limits are the ones you accept in your own mind. Imagine plunging into a world where every thought is a seed waiting to blossom into reality. What if you realized that your day-to-day experiences are simply reflections of the thoughts you've cultivated? Each morning, as the sun rises, it brings with it a fresh canvas, inviting you to paint your life with colors of your choosing. Yet too often, we allow clouds of doubt and anxiety to overshadow that canvas, diluting the vibrant hues of possibility and potential. The magic begins the moment you understand that the world outside is merely a mirror to the landscape of your mind. Think about your habitual thoughts. Are they nurturing a garden of optimism or a field of fear? Shift your focus to the dreams that make your heart race with excitement. Visualize those aspirations vividly, as if they are already within your grasp. This vivid imagery is not just wishful thinking. It's a pivotal part of reshaping your reality. The brain cannot distinguish between an imagined experience and one that is real, which is why focusing on positive outcomes creates pathways to actually experiencing them. Every time you envision a brighter future, you are crafting energy that fuels your journey. This is where your journey begins, in the awareness that you not only have the power to dream, but the ability to manifest those dreams into reality. Step boldly into this new paradigm, for each positive thought powers the rocket of your aspirations, launching you toward a life soaked in abundance and joy. When you dare to dream, something magical happens. The universe conspires to align opportunities in your favor. It's as if the energy you release into the world attracts everything you need to thrive. Imagine standing before a vast ocean, each wave representing a new possibility, ready to sweep you towards your dreams. The quest is not just about achieving goals. It's about transforming into the person who deserves those dreams. Each decision you make each day is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life, crafting a masterpiece that reflects your true self. Consider your self-talk. Are you your own biggest fan or your harshest critic? The dialogue you maintain within shapes your outlook and actions. Negative thoughts can feel like heavy chains, muffling your voice and obscuring your path. Now, picture breaking free from those chains. The sense of liberation is exhilarating. By practicing self-compassion and speaking positively to yourself, you break the cycle of negativity, setting the stage for personal growth. As you step into this empowering mindset, focus on gratitude. Acknowledge even the smallest victories, and you'll notice how this simple act ignites a sense of abundance. The universe responds to appreciation, exponentially increasing your good fortune. With gratitude as your companion, you unlock doors previously thought sealed tight. Embrace the journey and invite every experience, good or challenging, into your life as a stepping stone toward the grand adventure that awaits. Your dreams are alive, and they're waiting for you to claim them. What if the key to unlocking your potential lies in the rituals you create for yourself? Picture this. Every action you repeat becomes a thread in the intricate tapestry of your life. These threads can either be dull and frayed or vibrant and strong, depending on the habits you cultivate. Start by crafting a morning routine that empowers you. Imagine waking up each day with intention, taking those precious moments to meditate, journal, or simply savor a cup of coffee while setting powerful intentions. This sacred time is not just about awakening your body, it's about igniting your mind and spirit. Consider how each small decision boosts your confidence and courage every time you choose to invest in your well-being. Whether it's choosing a healthy meal, moving your body, or diving into a book that excites you, you're affirming your commitment to living fully. These acts, though they may seem ordinary, transform into extraordinary building blocks of your self-image. Additionally, surround yourself with positive influences. People, books, podcasts, and environments that uplift and inspire you. The company you keep shapes your mindset. Engage with those who resonate with your dreams, who encourage you to reach for the stars. Your energy will expand in the presence of like-minded individuals, amplifying your journey toward your aspirations. Each day is an opportunity to sculpt your reality. Let every choice reflect the vibrant life you're destined to live. Believe in the magic of these small, consistent actions and watch how they propel you toward an extraordinary existence. Imagine the thrill of discovering your unique purpose, the fire that ignites your soul and drives you towards your dreams. What if I told you that this sense of purpose is not just a lofty ideal, but a tangible path waiting for you to explore? To find your purpose, you must first learn to listen to the whispers of your heart, the passions that ignite your spirit, and the talents that make you feel alive. Think about the activities that make you lose track of time, where your energy flows effortlessly and joy radiates from your core. These moments are not mere coincidences. They are clues leading you toward your true calling. Take a moment to reflect. What are the experiences that resonate with you? Is it the thrill of creating, the joy of helping others, or perhaps the excitement of exploring new ideas? Dive into these interests with curiosity, allowing them to guide you. As you connect with your passions, you may find unexpected opportunities emerging around you. Doors opening, people entering your life, and circumstances aligning in ways you never imagined. Now is the time to embrace experimentation. Give yourself permission to try new things, pursue different hobbies, and take risks that push you out of your comfort zone. Each experience adds a stroke of color to your palette, bringing you closer to the masterpiece that is your life. When you actively engage with your purpose, the universe responds in kind, bringing you closer to the life you've always dreamed of living. Are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? The canvas is yours to fill. As you navigate your journey of self-discovery, one vital aspect to embrace is the power of resilience. Life will undoubtedly throw challenges and obstacles your way, but instead of viewing them as roadblocks, see them as stepping stones on your path. Imagine each setback as a chance to refine your skills, strengthen your character, and develop a deeper understanding of your own capabilities. The most successful individuals are not those who have faced no adversity, but rather those who have turned their struggles into triumphs. Picture yourself as a resilient warrior, armed with the wisdom gained from your experiences. Each scar tells a story. Each failure is a lesson learned. When you encounter difficulties, remind yourself that they are integral to your growth. Allow yourself to feel the sting of disappointment, but don't linger there. Shift your focus to the lessons at hand and ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This simple question can revolutionize your perspective. As you cultivate resilience, build a toolbox filled with strategies that empower you in tough times. Whether it's practicing mindfulness, reaching out for support, or engaging in creative outlets, find what works for you and use it as your anchor. Surround yourself with uplifting influences, those who remind you of your strength and potential. Embrace the notion that every challenge is merely a chapter in your story, one that prepares you for the incredible narrative yet to unfold. You are the author of your life, and the best is yet to come. Imagine embarking on a quest to empower your creativity, unlocking the wellspring of imagination within you. Creativity isn't just reserved for artists. It's a vital force that fuels innovation, problem-solving, and personal expression across all walks of life. Visualize your mind as a vast landscape, teeming with untapped ideas and potential, just waiting for you to explore. The challenge lies in clearing the cobwebs of routine and letting that creative spark ignite. Each day offers you the chance to step away from the mundane and dive into the realm of possibility. What if you could transform ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences simply by rethinking how you approach them? Start by inviting playful curiosity into your life. Ask questions, challenge norms, and don't shy away from what's unconventional or unexpected. Surround yourself with inspiration, books that transport you to different worlds, art that stirs your soul, music that makes your heart race. These elements can act as catalysts for your creativity. Carve out time for brainstorming or daydreaming and embrace the beauty of letting your thoughts flow freely without judgment. Dare to experiment, try new activities, mix up your routine, and embrace the messiness of exploration. The more you engage with your creative side, the more it flourishes. Remember, the joy of creativity lies in the process, not just the outcome. So take a breath, unleash your imagination, and watch as your inner genius takes flight, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Your creative journey is just beginning, and the canvas of your life is waiting to be filled with vibrant colors. Picture a world brimming with possibilities, where each dawn signals a fresh narrative waiting to be written. Visualize the energy flowing through you, a vibrant current of potential, as you prepare to take flight in your own story. You are not merely a spectator in this life. You are the protagonist, wielding the pen that dictates the course of your adventure. Embrace this truth. Your actions, the choices you make day in and day out, are the very building blocks of your reality. Every step you take is a step toward greatness, whether it's picking up a new skill, reaching out to someone in need, or allowing yourself to dream bigger than you ever thought possible. Imagine each decision as a beacon of light, illuminating the path to the life you envision. This is not about fleeting moments of inspiration. It's about weaving those moments into a rich tapestry of growth and fulfillment. You have the power to ignite change, not just within your own life, but in the lives of those around you. As you embark on this final leg of your journey, cultivate a mindset that is open to growth and transformation. Seek out experiences that challenge you and let them expand your horizons. Remember, every leap into the unknown can yield transformative results. So breathe deeply. Welcome the excitement of what's to come, and prepare to embrace your personal evolution. The best is yet to unfold, and you are the architect of this incredible future. As you stand at the apex of this journey, take a moment to breathe it all in. The adventures you've embarked on, the lessons you've absorbed, and the growth you've embraced have all led you to this powerful moment. Imagine the incredible future that awaits you, rich with opportunities and vibrant with possibility. You are equipped with the tools to shape your life and redefine what's possible. It's not just about dreaming anymore. It's about action and commitment to your vision. Now, let your energy ripple out into the world. Invite others to join you in this magnificent quest of transformation. Share your story, your experiences, and your insights. Whether it's a friend who needs a spark of motivation or a stranger looking for guidance, your journey can ignite inspiration in others. When you engage with those around you, you create a supportive community that thrives on growth and positivity. So, if you found value in this exploration, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that subscribe button to stay connected and be part of this dynamic community that is dedicated to personal evolution. Share this video with those who might benefit from the wisdom you've discovered, because together we magnify the talent, creativity, and dreams that reside within us all. Your voice matters, and your story deserves to be heard. Remember, this is just the beginning. Your adventure is unfolding, and the best is yet to come. Embrace it wholeheartedly.